What's going on, everybody? Aaron here with attention to detail in Highland, Indiana, South Chicagoland, and Northwest Indiana's #1 vehicle coating enhancement and protection shop. Today, I want to do a vehicle showcase on this 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air. This vehicle has more under the hood than you could even imagine. We just finished Icon Rocklear, our 15-year warranted super coating, which is a hybrid between traditional ceramic coatings and paint protection film PPF Clear Bra. Icon Rocklear is up to 30% glossier than any ceramic coating in the world, up to 25 times thicker and up to 75 times stronger. Because of the thickness of Icon, we can pack more solids in. We did so much to this vehicle. We started off with our prep, of course. We did a full foam wash, remove all the main dirt and grime, cleaning everything, the rims, the tires, the wheel barrels, the wheel wells, all the brake calipers behind the actual rim itself. We detailed the wheel wells here. We polished all of the chrome. We polished the chrome on the rims. We cleaned the white walls of the tires. We detail brushed all the chrome trims, every accent piece, crack, crevice, even all of the rubber seals. We detail brushed every crack and crevice. We did an iron decontamination to remove any iron particles, brake dust, and road grime. And then we did a clay bar treatment as well to remove any embedded contamination that's in the paint. Then we did what's called Icon Rip to remove any waxes and sealants, and a wax off on all the edges to remove any waxes, polishes, anything, quick detail sprays from the car shows, all of that completely removed. Now, after all the chrome polish and all the decontaminations, we taped everything off, coated it with Icon Rocklear. Icon Rocklear is super glossy, super strong. It is sweet. We also did an engine bay detail as well. You can take a peek at all the chrome in there. It is popping. We did all of the chrome in the engine bay for the client. He is bringing this to a car show very, very soon. And one thing to note about the hood and the trunk lid, we did a full wet sand on all of those surfaces, and we wet sanded them to remove a lot of the orange peel from the repaint or respray of this vehicle. So just wanted to do a quick vehicle showcase for you. The way that we do our pricing and all of our bookings is consultation based. So we actually would love it if you give us a call, 219-533-8783, and book a consultation. Now, you might be wondering, well, Aaron, what's a consultation? Why do I have to come out here? Well, every vehicle is different, every year, make, model, even every trim, even the way that you drive versus the next person, even with the same mileage, there could be different conditions if you're driving a lot in the neighborhoods versus the highways. There is so much how you wash your vehicle, if you hand wash it, if you go through the touch-free washes, if you bring it through the car washes, those spinning brushes that constantly hit the paint and damage it. There's so many different variables when we're working on vehicles that it's important that we do a consultation. So we actually invite you into the shop, meet you, shake your hand. We actually walk you through the entire process that we go through your vehicle from start to finish. After all of that's done, we'll go over pricing, we take care of you, we'll book you in for an appointment, take a deposit to get on the calendar, and we actually tailor all of our work to you, your vehicle, your budget, and everything is about you. We want our service to be better than Disney World, and we do that by inviting you in and actually looking over the entire vehicle so that there's no jump scares, no surprises, that when the vehicle comes to us on its service date, that we can work on it and do everything that we had originally agreed on. We don't want to be that shop that calls you halfway through the work and has to add on X, Y, and Z. We don't want to be that shop. That's why we do the consultation with the vehicle here. If you want to book a consultation, I'd be honored to meet you, shake your hand, and go over your vehicle. Give me a call, 219-533-8783, or visit us on our website, www.attn2detail.info. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy this 57 Bel Air. This vehicle is sweet. The paint looks like absolute glass. I hope you guys enjoy. Aaron with A2D. South Chicagoland area out.